Hey everyone, welcome back to my garden. It's late at night and I got something real crazy and really cool I want to show you. I can't believe it's happening. This is completely awesome. So please come join me and let's go have a nighttime adventure. So it's the 24th of May, 9 o'clock at night, and we're going to head back into my garden that direction. It's really dark back there, so I'm going to put the headlamp on and I'm going to show you something going on with my dragon fruit. Something I've waited a long time for, and it only happens at night. Alright, so don't mind the toys. I really didn't get to clean up the garden before I made this video because this is impromptu, unexpected, and very exciting. Alright, let's go check it out. You know, sometimes I really love my garden late at night. Oh, check it out, the moon. The moon looks awesome. But look at this dragon fruit, right? My dragon fruit are healthy and happy. And look at that. Isn't that freaking awesome? It's blooming. It only blooms at night, but it is freaking blooming. Look at the size of this thing compared to my hand. Isn't that awesome? Look at that, how big that flower is. It's crazy. And I have another one getting ready to. It'll probably be tomorrow night. I had a third, but for some reason the flower turned yellow and fell off. But this one is blooming, and I want to make sure that I get some dragon fruit. So I'm going to try and hand pollinate. My concern is, I don't know if I have nighttime pollinators like they do in the jungle where these things come from. So I got me a handy little brush, and I'm going to try hand pollinating this sucker. And I hope it works. I really hope it does. What I'm trying to do is get the pollen and get it on there. I don't know if I'm getting any pollen on this thing. Hard for me to tell in this lighting. There we go. Just get some lovely pollen and brush it on there. And I hope that did the trick, honestly. Hunnala. Hopefully that did the trick. So hey folks, I didn't get the video out as I planned, but that's okay because I have a bonus for you. The other dragon fruit flower has bloomed. Check that out. It is as cool as the other one, just as beautiful. But man, I am so happy I've got two that have bloomed now, and hopefully I will have 2 dragon fruit in the near future. But I'm going to hand pollinate this one just like I did the other one. Well, that's the best we can do. I will let you know in the near future if we got fruit from it. Well, what do you think? Am I going to get a dragon fruit? I sure as heck hope so. I can't begin to tell you how happy I am. I have went through a lot trying to get that dragon fruit to produce, to get to this point. First time growing a tropical like this, and I am so excited. I'm glad you guys are here. I'm glad you're seeing it with me. I'm going to try and get this on tonight. If not, it'll be the next day or two. But you'll see this video, and hopefully in a little bit I have a wonderful, beautiful dragon fruit. And if you want to see more about my dragon fruit, check out this playlist right here. I hope you enjoy it, and we will see you all next time. Take care, stay safe, and keep gardening.